After the absolute disaster of Windows updates this year, from breaking things like Notepad to making some PCs borderline unusable, I think something is becoming painfully obvious. Microsoft is never going to fix Windows, not because they can't, but because they don't need to. Microsoft has been trying to turn Windows into an ecosystem for their services, the same way Apple and Google have been doing with App Store, Play Store, G Suite, FaceTime, iMessage. But the thing is, Apple and Google built ecosystems people wanted to use, and Microsoft builds products nobody asks for and then forces them into the operating system. Start menu, the literal face of the Windows operating system, is now an ad board for TikTok, Candy Crush, and random recommended apps on a paid operating system. And Windows Search, at this point I'm convinced is broken on purpose. Because you search for a file, it doesn't find it, but it does get an excuse to put up a stupid little Bing search over there. And then you press enter and it opens Edge. Ah yes, Microsoft Edge, their Chrome downloading service that everyone loves and uses. Okay, so Microsoft's biggest obsession is the cloud. OneDrive, dude. Okay, so I go to save a file in File Explorer. When the dialog thingy shows up, it highlights OneDrive by default, even though I'm actually in the downloads folder. Like it's trying to get me to subconsciously click it or whatever. And it's not like it's a good service either. There's a reason why everyone uses Google Drive. It's a joy to use.
Wasn't just
horrible.
a trash experience. They have this new, what is it called? Why is this pop-up coming up? Go away!
Where's the X? Where's the
This
X?
sucks so much. This is such a terrible experience.
Any window that doesn't have an X in the top right should be banned by law.
Yeah.
I don't want next. I don't want anything. I want this to get out of my way because I'm using my computer.
I hate the new Photos app. I hate the new video playing app.
Microsoft, instead of shoving ads into users' faces every 5 minutes, try making OneDrive actually better, because people know they're being spammed to trick into clicking accept. And then there's AI. Hey look, Copilot candy. Investors like it. Let's shove it down people's throat. Make it the control key. Put it in the start menu. Reinstall it when you try to get rid of it. And then just rename your entire laptop business after it. Wow. And what happens when you click it? It opens a Copilot website in Edge. Wonderful. Awesome. They did not make this to improve Windows. They made it to hype investors and justify wasting so much money on data centers. This is shit. And this stupid widget panel, dude, you had to click it for it to show up. But now they made it so it just slides out on its own when you accidentally hover your mouse over and it fills up half of your screen with AI generated slop news and ads. Hey Microsoft, you could have retired the control panel. He's tired, Microsoft. Let him rest, please. And yes, Windows is paid. You buy it, and then it turns around and spies on you. If you open the task manager right now, you will have quite literally no idea what half of the processes running actually do. But they do give you toggles to play with. Just hope that they actually do something though, because you can't actually fully disable telemetry on Windows Home and Pro editions. You can only do that on the Enterprise edition for some reason. Make that make sense. Windows updates are buggy, messy, forced, and inconvenient. They try to fix one thing and somehow manage to break, like the calculator app. A computer is literally a calculator. We have had calculators since 1642, Microsoft. How? The thing is, I actually like Windows. I grew up with Windows. Windows 7 was so fun and simple. It refused to die. Many even say Windows XP was the golden era. But somewhere along the line, their incentives changed. Microsoft became a corporate, greedy, investor-facing company leaving its users behind. On October 14th, 2025, Windows 10 reached end of support. They wanted everyone on Windows 11, and to make that happen, millions of perfectly good, capable PCs were labeled as unsupported. The people actually using those computers didn't decide they were useless, Microsoft did. But somehow, now you get those updates back if you use Bing to get Microsoft gift points. I'm sorry, what? No? Or you could upload your files to OneDrive so they can train their AI, sell your data, and get you to subscribe while you're at it, because there is no way your PC backup is fitting in that 5 GB of free storage space they give you. Or why have the hassle? Just pay them 30 bucks again, like you never paid them for the operating system in the first place. And if you try to bypass the system requirements, they will patch you out of it and make your life miserable. Here's the truth. Microsoft doesn't really need Windows users anymore. Most of their money comes from cloud and enterprise services. They dominate over 70% of the desktop OS market, and that is hard to beat. Many people don't even realize other options exist. Manufacturers ship it by default. Enterprises make up most of Windows revenue because they depend on it. And when you get rewarded for not caring, you stop caring. Windows doesn't need to be great, it just needs to be installed, and that is sad. But there is hope. macOS is in the strongest position it's ever been in, especially with Apple Silicon being unapologetically good. Its hardware and user experience are industry standards. And about Linux, gaming on it works now. Software support is improving, and it's free and open source with real people behind it. The community is thriving. Like, look at people sharing their Linux configurations with each other. Wholesome. No ads, no bloat, no spying, no forced cloud, just an operating system in its purest form. And as for me, I'm not going back to Windows. I ditched it for macOS, and I'm actively trying Linux too. Hello everybody. So this was my first video ever. So roast it in the comments because I need suggestions to make better videos. And thank you guys for watching the entire thing. Genuinely, thank you so much, dude.
Guys, apparently 0% of you all are subscribed according to my YouTube analytics. So make sure to absolutely smash the subscribe button and hit the bell.
I'm already working on my next video, so 6-7.